Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So I have this sunflower. I have two of them. It's probably 8 feet tall. If I stand back, it's probably 8 feet. The second one is right here, probably 9 feet tall. What is interesting about these sunflowers is this is what I planted. It's supposed to be a dwarf sunflower, dwarf variety. And according to the tag, it's supposed to grow to a height of 24 inches, so 2 feet tall. But what I have is 4 times that size. It's actually very pretty. It has multiple side shoots. This one has multiple, but that one just has the one. So I don't know if either the conditions that I've been growing them in have induced this growth, or if I just got the wrong seeds in the packet. Anyway, I want to go ahead and cut the flowers as I don't want them to go to seed. So I'll be cutting down these two today. Okay, let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, I'm done cutting down the sunflower. The stalk was pretty wide, and the roots, I realized that the roots are pretty extensive. I have clay soil, so they're pretty deep. So I've decided to go ahead and just let them be. So that's the first one. This is the second one. Yeah, I realized the roots are all over, so I'll let it be and let it rot in place. So here are the cuttings. I'll be using that in the compost. So here are my flowers, looking pretty good. I see some ants a little bit. I'll take those out, but this is what we have. Okay, like I said, these are supposed to be dwarf sunflowers. It's this variety, Dwarf Sunspot. Supposed to be 2 feet tall, but for whatever reason they grew to 8 to 9 feet tall. But anyhow, the flowers are really pretty. That's what I care about. Okay, I'll stop here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.